Welcome to Glendale is Cool, where we take a look at homes that are so cool, you might leave Los Feliz for them. Now I'm kidding, sorta. But today we're stepping back into time to 1931 with this stunning Spanish Colonial estate in the heart of the Verdugo Woodlands. On a peaceful tree-lined street, this home beautifully combines historic charm with thoughtful modern updates. Rumor has it that the homeowner spent $1 million on the restoration. Let's take a look inside. I love this grand turreted entry with this handcrafted wooden door and original stained glass. It lets you know there's something special inside. Inside, the embassy-sized living room commands attention. A massive picture window brings in tons of light to the room. There's a grand fireplace with French doors, which create a timeless atmosphere. Step through those doors, and you're in a private colonnade and courtyard. The formal dining room continues the theme with its dramatic cove ceilings. And just beyond is the newly designed chef's kitchen, complete with a lemon yellow Bertazzoni range, a glass door sub-zero fridge, and a spacious island. Adjacent to the kitchen is a sunny breakfast nook with built-in seating overlooking the backyard. This floor also includes a guest wing with 2 bedrooms and a newly tiled bath. The magnificent staircase leads to the second floor, where you'll find 3 bedroom suites. Each room is spacious and inviting. But the bathrooms truly steal the show. 2 of the baths are beautifully preserved with original 1920s tile. The intricate design and bold colors reflect the craftsmanship and elegance of that era. Stepping into those spaces feels like stepping into a vintage magazine, with every detail from the tile pattern to the fixtures showcasing authentic period style. Private balconies and walk-in closets add even more charm to these serene retreats. Now let's step outside to the backyard, where this property's incredible design extends into the outdoor spaces. Their centerpiece is a brand new swimmer's pool and spa, perfect for cooling off on a sunny day or unwinding in the evenings. Surrounding the pool are expansive grassy lawns that offer plenty of space for play or relaxation. Multiple patios and semi-enclosed courtyards make this a dream for entertaining. The landscaping perfectly complements the home's Spanish Colonial architecture, with lush greenery creating a tranquil retreat right in your own backyard. Whether you're swimming, dining, or simply enjoying the fresh air, this outdoor space adds another layer of grandeur to an already exceptional home. This home is full of character, original hardwood floors, intricate ironworks, and even an interior fountain makes every corner feel special. The attention to detail in this restoration is truly remarkable. Located just blocks from Oakmont Country Club and the historic Catalina Verdugo adobe, the estate sits in one of Glendale's most desirable neighborhoods. This Spanish Colonial estate offers a rare combination of beauty, history, and thoughtful updates that makes it stand out in every way. The Verdugo Woodlands gem just sold for $3,175,000 after just 20 days on the market. And that's like $4.5 million in Los Feliz prices. Thanks for joining me in this tour. Be sure to subscribe to Glendale's Cool for more stories of incredible homes and neighborhoods that make Glendale such a special place to live.